Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn the numbers. We will be coloring from 1 to 20 and we will learn all these numbers. I hope you will like coloring all these. Do like and subscribe. Let us get started with the color names. This is orange color. This is brown color. This is yellow color. This is light blue color. This is dark pink color. This is dark blue color. This is dark green color. This is purple color. This is light green color. This is black color. This is red color. Let us get started and we will trace all these numbers. This is 1. Number 1. This is 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. 10. 10. 11. 11. 12. 12. 13. 13. 14. 14. 15. 15. 16. 16. 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 19. 20. 20. Thank you kids for coloring this with me. I hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe. Thank you.